Hi, welcome to ITC561 Cloud Computing. I'm Peter White and I'm your lecturer for this session. So what you need to know about this subject and session is that everything will basically be contained for you when you interact. So if you look there, you'll find your subject outline in the left-hand menu. Any information about readings or documents will also be available in the resources tool. I'll put up announcements about the subject from time to time, and this is where you'll find out that announcements. The important ones I'll email out to you straight away. You are expected to actively participate in discussions on the subject forum, and you're also expected to check the subject site for any new announcements at least once a week. And if you have any concerns or issues, please come directly to me using my contact details. So as I said, I'm Peter White, I'm your lecturer, and I'm an adjunct lecturer in the School of Computing and Maths at Charles Sturt. I've been in the industry for quite some time and I've got some considerable experience. I started as a software developer, became a systems administrator, then an information security architect, a technical services architect, a solution architect, and so on. And so I have a wealth of experience and knowledge, plus I've done a fair amount of cloud migration for the agency that I was working for. So we can actually talk you through some of the processes, some of the issues, some of the problems that you will face when you come to look at cloud migrations and cloud development for yourself. I have a Doctor of Information Technology and it's in information security. That's where my main interest lies. And currently I am the Manager Cybersecurity Research and Education for the New South Wales Government Chief Information Security Officer. So I'm kind of working in this field on a daily basis. My research interests are around the areas of information security, naturally identity management, citizen digital identity, federated identity, human-computer interaction, and risk management. The best way to contact me is email. As I said, I'm an adjunct lecturer. I'm not here all the time, but I monitor email continuously. So please feel free to email me. You can try to ring me on my desk phone here at CSU, but I'll get to it perhaps once a week. So email is always the best bet. You should have the textbook by now. If you haven't, please let me know and I'll start chasing up through the school. There are a number of other readings and you'll find these other readings. There'll be links to those in Interact. So what are we going to cover? We're going to cover a number of things. We'll look at initially concepts, models, technologies, the things that underlie the cloud so that you've got a basic technical understanding of how it works. Then we're going to look at architectures, both for the cloud and for applications, because it's all changing. We can't take the existing monolithic type architecture, although I suppose you can, and just move it into the cloud. It will work, but there are better ways of doing it, and this is what we'll look at. How do we change architectures? We'll look at information security and risk management in the cloud because that is a major issue for us. We'll look about how do we do management and governance in the cloud. And finally, we'll look at migration planning. And part of your assignment, one of your assignments will be to do some basic planning. So here's our schedule. We have basically 12 weeks. We'll have an online session each Tuesday night beginning at 1900 hours, 7 o'clock. Excuse me. And we have 4 assignments due. So this gives you the topic schedule. This is also in Interact as well as in the subject outline. We have 4 assignments. Assignments 1 and 3 are online quiz, where you'll go in through Interact. You'll do an online quiz. It'll be a choice of multiple choice, short answer, etc. True, false questions. And most of that you'll be able to get your mark pretty well immediately. Assignment 2 is a case study type assignment where it's you'll be given a case study and you'll have to write a report around that. And then assignment 4 is the bigger assignment. This is a group assignment, so you'll be set up into groups, which we'll do right at the start of the session. And you'll be looking at a case study in order to work out as a group, how do we do security management and plan a migration for a particular issue. And then finally, you'll have an exam, which will probably be held sometime early in June. Okay, that's it. that's a quick outline of the subject. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Shoot me an email, pewhite@csu.edu.au, and we'll get back to you. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I really look forward to seeing you in the lecture. Thank you.